In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 reasons why you should be shopping at your local farmers market. Hey, this is Rama with Creation Landscape Design, Northwoodland Landscapes, and today we're going to talk about farmers markets. But before we do, I make videos about drought-tolerant landscapes, sustainability, California native plants, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. I'm also a residential landscape designer, so if you do need landscape design services, I will have a link to my business website in the description of the video down below. So the first reason why you should be shopping at a farmer's market is because you're getting local produce. It wasn't shipped from out of state. It wasn't shipped from some other country. It was locally grown in the state in which you purchased the product. If you're in California, guess what? It was locally grown in the state of California, and most likely locally grown by the farmer who's standing behind the booth selling you the product. The second reason why you should be shopping at a farmer's market is because everything is freshly picked. Most everything at the farmer's market was picked the week of purchase. So if I'm at the farmer's market in Irvine on Saturday buying cucumbers, I know that that week those cucumbers were picked. If I'm buying lettuce, it was harvested that week. It wasn't pre-frozen or shipped from some other country. So I feel better knowing that I'm buying something that's fresh. The third reason why you should be shopping at a farmer's market is because you build a relationship with the seller. So, for example, when I go to the farmer's market, and I went last Saturday, I went to this booth that sells mushrooms. And the lady that works the booth is the owner. Her husband, and her family basically own the business. And I bought a bunch of brown mushrooms. And she tells me, oh, by the way, I won't be here next week, but my son will. Oh, cool. Okay, so I know that next week it'll be her son manning the booth and not her. Now, is she going to say that and mention that to everybody? No. But because I'm a regular customer, she'll tell me that. Or I go to another booth where I buy cucumbers and lettuce and spinach and stuff like that. And the guy will tell me, oh, by the way, next week I'm going to have XYZ available. Now, he may not do that to everybody, but he will certainly do that to the regular customers. Or sometimes they'll give you a discount if you shop there regularly. I go to a booth where I get lemons, and sometimes he has lemons that I consider runts of the litter. They're still good to eat. They're just not the super best looking, and he'll totally sell them to me at a discount. The fourth reason why you should shop at a local farmer's market is because of convenience. And I say this because you know exactly what you're going to get. If you've gone there long enough, you've shopped there long enough, you know exactly what each booth is, what the farmer at each booth has, when they have certain things, and so you know exactly what to get, when to get it. And it's convenient because you don't have to go to the grocery store going, okay, are they going to have this? Are they going to have this? You'll know exactly what they'll have because you've been there long enough. And it's also leading to the fifth point, cheaper to buy at the local farmer's market. I spend $30 a week at the local farmer's market buying the vegetables and fruits and anything else I need. And I don't need to spend any more money than that. It is literally, trust me, literally cheaper to buy at the farmer's market than going to a traditional grocery store. On top of the quality, it is literally cheaper.